Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue OpenAI error. The API client option must be set or by either passing the OpenAI API key environment variable. So I am getting this error when I try to run my OpenAI API code in Python in my local. And the reason why we are getting this error is because here we haven't passed our OpenAI API key. So here in the OpenAI object, just put a enter, and here you need to type API underscore key. So either you can have that API key in an environment variable and access it, or you can directly assign it over here as a string. So let me show you how to get this OpenAI API key also. For this, just Google OpenAI API, select this OpenAI platform, and you must buy OpenAI credits for this. It's paid and it's not free at all. If you want to watch the tutorial how to buy OpenAI credits, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. You'll be taken to an interface like this now, and make sure that you are signing in with your OpenAI account. And to the top, click your profile and select your profile. And here to the left, we will be having the API keys option. Click here and select create new secret key and just type any name. Let me go with demo. Select the project and create secret key and copy this, select done, and make sure that you are not sharing this key to anyone. And all the time you can delete this also in case if you feel this key is compromised. So once you're done copying, you can just either have it in an environment variable and access it, or you can just put it within like double quotes. Now let me save it and rerun this code, and this time I'm not getting any errors and the code has worked perfectly. So that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in OpenAI API, Gemini AI API, AI tools and coding in general. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.